What if I told you there's a planet where it literally rains glass sideways at over 5,000 miles per hour? A place so deadly, no human could survive even a second. And the scariest part, we didn't imagine this planet, we discovered it. About 64 light-years away from Earth, hidden in the constellation Vulpecula, lies one of the most terrifying worlds ever found. Its name is HD 189,733b. At first glance, it looks beautiful, calm, even peaceful. But behind that beauty is pure destruction. Let's go back to the year 2005. Astronomers were scanning distant stars, searching for planets outside our solar system, what we call exoplanets. One of those stars showed a tiny, almost invisible dimming in its light. That tiny flicker was the first clue. Using advanced observation techniques, scientists confirmed something incredible. A massive planet was orbiting that star, passing in front of it again and again. This method is called the transit method, and it's how we find worlds we can't even see directly, but the real breakthrough came later. When scientists used the Hubble Space Telescope to study this planet's atmosphere. They weren't just looking for a planet anymore, they wanted to know what it was made of. And what they discovered shocked the world. HD 189,733b is known as a hot Jupiter. It's about the size of Jupiter, but orbits extremely close to its star. So close that a single year there lasts just 2.2 Earth days. Imagine that, a full year in less than 3 days. Because of this, temperatures reach over 10 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to melt iron. But heat isn't even the worst part. The real horror is the weather. Scientists discovered that the atmosphere contains silicate particles, tiny fragments of glass. Now imagine standing there. The sky darkens, winds begin to roar, and suddenly, instead of rain, razor-sharp glass starts blasting through the air. Not falling down, but moving sideways. At over 8,000 kilometers per hour, 5,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. This isn't rain, it's a storm of knives. Here's what makes this planet even more disturbing. From space, it looks stunning. A deep, rich blue color, almost like Earth's oceans. But that beauty is a lie. There is no water, no life, no calm oceans. That blue glow comes from light scattering through those glass particles. So what looks peaceful is actually one of the most violent places in the universe? Now imagine this. You're in a spacecraft, traveling for decades, finally reaching HD 189,733b. At first, you see a glowing blue world, floating silently in space. It looks almost inviting. But as you get closer, your instruments start failing. The heat rises instantly, radiation levels spike. The atmosphere becomes unstable. If you tried to land, your spacecraft would struggle against massive pressure. The temperature would melt its surface, and then the storm begins, glass shards slamming against your ship. Faster than bullets, within seconds. Everything is destroyed. So how did scientists know all of this? Without ever going there, using the Hubble Space Telescope, they analyzed how light passes through the planet's atmosphere. Different elements absorb different wavelengths of light. By studying these patterns, scientists could identify chemicals, temperature, even weather conditions. It's like reading a planet's fingerprint from light years away. And here's the most terrifying part. HD 189,733b is not unique. There are billions of planets in our galaxy alone. Some may have lava oceans, others may have constant lightning storms, and some could be even more extreme than this. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Not every world out there is meant to be explored. Some planets are designed to destroy anything that comes near them. And the real question is, what's the most dangerous planet we haven't discovered yet?